Today we're going to go over how to draw Ollie from Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. So he's a phone. It should be pretty simple. Just follow along with me and you'll be able to draw it after this, okay? First we're going to draw Ollie at an angle because he is a phone. And so we're going to go right here and we're going to draw a straight line kind of at an angle right there. Curve around the corner. And it's going to go down like this little hill here, right? And by the way, don't worry about how straight or like how proportionate this is. This is completely fine. This is just for you, okay? So you just want people to understand what they're looking at. That's it. Curve around the corner here. And we're going to try to see this line, see the angle of it. You're going to try to do the exact same angle line over here now. And just be close enough. And it's all good. And then you connect these like so. So far, so good. Okay? Gonna go over here, angle down, kind of angle downward. Line over here as well. Line over here as well. And then this line, see how straight that is? You want to draw that same angle over here on the bottom because it's kind of like the part of the phone that's coming upward. And then see this line over here? You want to copy this line around this side. Okay, so let's go for the long part of the phone, okay? So I'm going to go over here, pulling down. You make it, relatively longer than that area. And now I'm going to go pull out an angle this way. Just a little bit. Curve a little bit, and now you see how straight this angle is on this side? You want to draw that kind of line over here as close as you can. Pulling down a little bit, and then you want it to meet up at this point. So from over here, pull up around that point. Okay, so far so good. Don't forget, hit the like button if you do like this sort of thing. But also, if you want to kind of learn something brand new every single day, absolutely hit the subscribe button. That's going to help a lot. Gonna go here, pull down. Just a little bit of an extra piece right here. And pull up there. Angle over here. All right, so now this is the hardest line of the whole thing. We're pulling in a little bit right here. Right here, we're gonna connect these lines. And you can do it as slow as you want, okay? If you need to take a break right there in the middle, just chill out, just whatever. It's not a big deal. And then we just continue on, right? Continue on over here, pull around the corner there. You can turn the paper any way you want. You just want it to be linear enough. Okay. Hopefully that's good. All right. Let's go over here and draw the eyes. They're basically two circles, one right here, one right here. So we're going to go into it. Just do your best. Just draw a circle right there. Go over here. Draw as close to the size of that as you can. Then circle on the inside. Circle on the inside right here. Over here on this end. Curve over here. Curve over here. That's kind of the back part of the eyes right there. And now we can fill in the center of the eye right there. I think it's really important to kind of fill it in too, because I think it gives it a better graphical depiction, right? Even though we're mostly just kind of doing the line art on this, you want a mostly graphical depiction of this phone. I think it's easier to kind of do that. Let's draw a line over here. It's like a straight line. That's the same angle as that one. And then now, I wouldn't say this is hard or anything like that, but there's going to be a smiley, but it's made up of little holes. So, for example, I'm going to put a dot right there, but it's going to follow that line right there. Dot right there, dot right there, dot right there, dot right there. And now we're going to curve over here underneath. like so. There you go. It's kind of making that kind of like smiley, but it's like pinpoint holes. If you need them to be closer together, you can throw one in the middle there, right? To make it more obvious. You know, there's no rules per se. You can kind of do whatever you want. You just want like the gist of it, right? You want them to be, you know, close-ish. Let's go over here. Now he needs an antenna. So see this straight line? You want to follow that angle and go boom. Curve over here, like so. That same angle. Line up over here, down, outward. You want to stripe down the phone as well. So you want to draw like kind of a straight-ish line, but it doesn't have to be even. And another line right here, down like the stripe by the phone. This phone almost looks like it has layers. Take your time with that line, by the way. I know it's kind of a big deal. Let's draw a circle down here. Over here, we're going to draw like a straight line, curve up. Same thing over here. Again, you don't have to be that strict with these things. It's completely fine. And so the phone over here, it's a lot of numbers. We're going to cheat it, okay? I'm sorry. Forgive me. We're going to cheat it. I don't want to have to do a bunch of work, right? So we're going to just draw like the number 1, number 2, number 3, like so. Then we're going to draw over here 4, 5, because I don't want to have to like, because like I know in the cartoon or whatever, you're going to, it's a lot of like, you know, bulbous letters, and I'm just like, oh, it's going to be so much work. We're going to have to cheat that. 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know what the heck is on this side. We're just going to put an X over here. Circle and a hashtag, you know, number sign right there. If you really want to get more, obviously, the finishing touches of this, and then we're going to go over here, curve, line out, curve over here now, curve, line out over here, curve like so. So it kind of looks like it's radiating out, right? Like the signal. And that's pretty much it. If you want a finishing touch, you can do this. You don't have to do this, but you can throw a thicker line around the whole character. And I'm not going to do that right now, but you can throw a thicker line around that character, kind of giving a little bit of oomph. You know what I'm saying? Thanks so much. Please share the video if you like this. There's going to be a playlist right here. If you made it this far, say hi to me, and I'll know that you made it this far. Just say hi in the comments. Boom, I'll know exactly you made it this far. But yeah, just say hi to me. And that's pretty much it. Thanks so much. I will see you in the next video. We'll talk soon. I want you to stay here, though, because we're going to go right into another lesson, okay? Stay right there. Let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.